now you can see here, like here, again, I have no idea what this is. Here's Everett.
Oh yeah.
You can see all the buoys. These are the travel buoys that you go in here. And then pretty soon you're going to get into, you should get into contours.
Oh yeah. Yeah, eventually.
Some of the buoys, I'm going to zoom out so you can see it better. All of that, so your navigation-wise, you'll know where all the buoys are and all of that. Again, these lakes like this ain't going to have anything like that. Columbia River and the Puget Sound has it on this map.
Right.
And then you navigate. And then the books and all the books.
What do you think, babe?
You know, for a 92, it is. There's a lot of features on